Dear Madam President, I congratulate Ms. Kalina Lukashevska for her work and the resolution. It raises some threats very often invisible we face today, no longer abstract. Disinformation, foreign interference, and algorithmic and digital manipulation, which lately more and more is actively targeting electoral system, especially in fragile democracy like those in the Western Balkans. Democracy is under attacks from outside and from within. What Mr. Mullen mentioned before about the financing of Soros Foundation is true for Albania as well. The foundation has been drafting and involved in implementing the justice reform, election reform, and all other important reforms. Transparency and analysis of those reforms should be done urgently. Those reforms have worsened the democracies in Albania. People are not getting justice. One case in court takes 15 to 20 years, and based on OSCE OD report, elections are not free and not fair. We are entering in elections with no recommendation implemented. We have witnessed in the past the misuse of application activity used by Socialist Party every election for propaganda, manipulation, voter behavior, intimidation, public civil servant, silence opponent. The situation is even more dangerous when compounded by endemic corruption, poor rule of law, and centralization of power. We need a plan that extends beyond EU borders and protects candidate countries like Albania, Moldova, Georgia. And I agree what was proposed by a colleague, that this plan should feed into integrated plan. While reinforcing accountability of platforms like TikTok, Meta, and X, we must uphold freedom of speech, a fundamental right. A decision like banning TikTok, as done by Prime Minister of Albania recently. Control of internet by special equipment just some weeks before elections are autocratic in nature and undermine fundamental rights. Our message should be clear: democracy begins with free and fair elections. Thank you.